Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm the owner and osteopath here at Health 360. We're based in Bryn Mawr in Swansea, so we're close to the beach, close to the university, and we provide osteopathy, soft tissue therapy, dry needling, lots of exercise advice, pain management advice for people in our community. So I first came across osteopathy when my mum had an appointment for her back pain, and like most people that come into osteopathy, you don't often hear about it before you discover it, and once I discovered it, I knew that was it. That's my career for the rest of my life. I really like the fact that it was non-invasive, very holistic, and we have a lot of time with our patients, know what makes them different to everyone else, what is their pain story. So when I was in my third year, because I knew I was going to go into opening my own practice one day, I connected with the enterprise team at the university and they gave me so much advice. They helped you at every step of the way, and they also put me in touch with Big Ideas Wales and Business Wales. And this all kind of started off with a little bit of seed funding to the enterprise team. That funding led into me starting up, renting a room, just working very part-time alongside the course. And then the help through Business Wales meant that I was actually able to then put a full business plan together, get more funding then through Development Bank of Wales. And that's how we ended up in this clinic. So we went from renting a room a couple of days a week to being full-time with our own premises, renting our spare rooms out to other professions like physiotherapy at the moment. We also work with the local community hubs as well to provide free treatments for people that can't afford private osteopathy. And I really like the idea of being able to mould my business into an ethical business that I could really put value back into my communities. And it all started with the enterprise team showing me that it doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your experience, but actually there's people there to help you along the way to find the answers that you need.